Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Place 1/2 cup basmati rice slightly off-center, 1 ladle of curry in a shallow bowl, and 1 rolled roti on the side to balance portions. Arrange items so colors contrast: white rice, orange curry, green chutney, and a red pickle. Use a 10-inch plate and leave 1 inch of empty rim to frame the food and avoid overcrowding. Space items 3/4 of an inch apart, keeping wet components contained, and ensure the diner can see each element before tasting. Add 1 tablespoon of cilantro or mint chutney as a bright sauce accent near the curry, not over the rice. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon toasted cumin seeds and 2 teaspoons chopped cilantro across the curry for aroma and texture. Place a 2-inch lemon wedge at the plate edge and add a light drizzle of ghee or neutral oil for shine. Keep sauces in small condiment dishes if serving multiple gravies, and wipe the rim with a clean cloth before serving to maintain a pristine presentation. Serve hot items at 140 degrees F to 150 degrees F, and keep breads wrapped in a cloth for 3 to 5 minutes before plating to retain heat. Present cold raita or salads chilled between 38 degrees F and 45 degrees F to create a pleasant temperature contrast with hot curries. Use a warm plate for curries and rice and hand fold breads to about 3-5 inches across for easy handling. Bring each course promptly, describe spice levels, and suggest pairing options like plain yogurt for heat control or sweet mango chutney for balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.